So back in our code here, what we're going to do is just close everything, collapse everything, just so we have a clean starting point. We'll open back up source app and go to home here. And what I'm actually going to do is rename home. And before we do this, sometimes in Next.js, we have some issues when we rename and move around routes. And so what I'm going to preemptively do is shut off our server, remove .next, and when we do rename home here to board, we'll make sure that all of our links go to the right location. So we have all of these that go to home, minus the home contents. There we go. So we're just going to change these to board. In here, that's fine. We're going to change this to board page. Great. In our login, we're going to go to board. And inside of here, our callback URL is going to take us to board after logging in. So make sure that in these locations here, we changed home to board. And for the page, we're just changing it to board page. And do make sure that we change this. And what we're next going to do is change this home page contents inside of here. We're going to rename it to board page contents. Update the import and save it. So now we have board page contents, but then we're also going to have to change this component name to be board page, and then saying that this is the board page for now. Change this to board page contents and paste this one down here as well. So between these 5 files, make sure that you have all of the same changes. So I brought the browser and the code editor that we have here on the same screen, just so that when we're making a lot of these UI changes, we'll be able to see them reflected within the browser. And what we're going to do is run our server again, hit refresh to make everything works, and I'll be right back after we've logged back in. Okay, so after we're done logging in here, this is the board page, as we can see, same as what is in our board page contents. So let's just remove everything that doesn't have anything to do with the board page. Let's just collapse this. And what we're going to do is start building out the UI of what's going to be on our board page. So when the user logs in successfully, they've created an account with us, we want them to start the process of creating a board.